million patients a year rely on Planned Parenthood for Medicaid-covered healthcare. That's over half of the patients that Planned Parenthood healthcare centers see, which is obviously a tremendous amount. And there's absolutely no indication that those patients have anywhere else to go if they are unable to seek their comprehensive necessary health care from Planned Parenthood centers, which is what the government is trying to stop them from doing, which is why this lawsuit is so important and why it is so important for us to get this law stopped.
If this provision were to move forward, we're talking about over 1 million patients who use Medicaid nationwide. For Massachusetts specifically, out of the 30,000 patients that we service every year, 40% of those rely on Medicaid. So, it is pretty devastating if this provision goes into effect. They will likely lose a trusted provider, and, there will be significant harm and devastation, both in, just the healthcare system overall, but, wait times, delays in care.
This is unprecedented, as we say in our lawsuit. This is they've been trying to do this for a very long time, over a decade, and they have not succeeded in actually passing it in Congress until now. But this is a culmination of a long-term plan, and we hope it still doesn't succeed. We continue to fight every single day. We believe that it's wrong, and we believe it's illegal, and so it hasn't succeeded yet. We're currently under a court order that allows us to continue providing care. Care continues at Planned Parenthood. The TRO expires on Monday, and the goal of this hearing and the motion that we were arguing in front of the court today is to get that relief extended for a longer period of time so that care for these patients can continue for the foreseeable future. I think the bottom line of their argument is, as they say in their briefing, so what? Right? They want to do this. They hate abortion. They're willing to sacrifice people's access to all manner of health care in order to make a statement about abortion. And when we point to the impacts, they shrug their shoulders and say, so what? Yeah, a very central and important part of Planned Parenthood's mission is to serve low-income patients and make sure that everybody has an opportunity to receive necessary health care, no matter where they live and no matter who they are and no matter what their income level is. What we've seen from this law and the behavior of this administration is that they don't care about that, and they want to punish us at the expense of those people. It's wrong and it's unconstitutional, and that's why we're here.